What's up, guys? It's Connor with 4Runner Lifestyle, and if you are like me, your center console and your glove box is a complete mess, and so we're going to take care of that today with our center console organizers and the upper tray, as well as a glove box organizer as well. Glove box is a mess, and sometimes it's been filled up all the way to here with just stuff in there, and so these center console organizers organize in, adds an upper tray to the top, and makes it so much cleaner. So we sell vehicle OCD organizers. So just open it up, take it out of its packaging. So you're gonna take this main one, and you see it says up right there. You're gonna take the small one, and it also says up, and you're just going to slide that together until that's just kind of flush down there. Now that's flush right there. Then you're gonna take the other one, and you can just see where it says up on that arrow, and you're just going to slide this down as well until that is flush. You're just going to pull this piece out, and then you're just gonna set this in here with the smaller side forward, and then place these kind of in between those two notches, and then there you go. That divides it all up. And then you're just going to take the upper tray and set that in as well, and that goes right on top. And then we're going to throw in the glove box organizer. Just gonna tear this guy open. Come to this main piece, and then it's gonna have these sections in it as well. And so on this, you can see it says on the bottom, it says this side down, and that's the front. So that means it's gonna slide in like that. So we're just going to take one of these dividers, and you're just gonna kind of slide it in right here until it pushes to the front. And then that just kind of clicks in up there. That's good. And then this one, this shows front and then up. And so we're just gonna slide this one in like that. And so there's also a third one as well. If you want more sections, you can throw that one in. But since I have some larger items, I'm just gonna leave these two in. Now that we got the two sections in, we're just gonna slide it in like this. And you are done. So there's also a third section that you can put in right here, but I like to have the larger opening right there for bigger items. If you want to throw in your owner's manual right there, different larger items in there, you have that flexibility. If you want to purchase these, we got a link in the description. It takes you right to the product on 4runnerlifestyle.com. And make sure you subscribe to our channel as well. We're doing several videos a week, installs, vehicle walkarounds and everything, all 4Runner content. So yeah, make sure you subscribe.